Hey there. If you're serious about working smarter with AI, creating content faster, and even making some real income online, this tool I'm about to show you is going to blow your mind. Make sure to hit subscribe right now if you love AI tools that save time and help you grow, and please, stick with me till the end, because if you miss just one tiny detail, you might miss the exact setting that makes your video go viral. Here's a quick truth. You don't need to be a video editor, filmmaker, or even know how to use complicated software anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a fully edited video with voiceover, music, and visuals in under 5 minutes using a tool called VIDEOGEN. Let's jump into it step by step, and I'll walk you through like you're right here with me. Step 1. Go to the VIDEOGEN website. First thing, open your browser and type in https://videogen.io?FPR=AIAI. That's their official site. I'll also drop the link down in the description. Once you're on the page, head to the top right and hit Sign Up. You can use your Google account to log in. It's faster and keeps things synced. Step 2. Enter your topic or idea. Step 3. Customize the settings. Once you choose your topic, it's time to fine-tune your video. Word count. You can go short, 300 words, medium, 600, or custom. Language. English, Spanish, Vietnamese. You've got options here. Most of us will stick with English, of course. Step 4. Edit the script. Yes, you can. This is what sets VIDEOGEN apart. Before creating the final video, it shows you the full script that the AI has generated. And you can edit anything. Don't like a sentence? Rewrite it. Voiceover. This is fun. You get to pick a voice, male or female, calm or energetic. I like previewing 2 to 3 voices before I commit. Take your time here. The vibe of your video really depends on these choices. VIDEOGEN makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Welcome to the future of video. VIDEOGEN makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Step 5. Generate your video. When you're happy with the script, just click Create Video. Now sit back, VIDEOGEN will match the script with stock videos, add transitions and animations, layer music and voiceover, all in just a couple of minutes. I've tested this multiple times. Most videos are ready in under 3 minutes. Step 6. Download and upload. Once the render is done, hit download. You'll get to choose between HD or 4K depending on what you're using it for. Now it's ready to go live. You can upload it to YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or anywhere else you want to share your content. Pro tip: spend a few extra minutes writing a good title and using solid keywords. That's what helps people actually find your video. I must tell you why this matters. To quickly sum it up, you didn't have to film anything. You didn't need editing software. You didn't need a voiceover mic. You just needed one tool and 5 minutes. This is exactly the kind of tool that fits into a smart content creator's workflow, especially if you're building multiple channels or testing ideas quickly. And that's it. If you found this helpful, hit like so the algorithm knows. Don't forget to subscribe to Ethan on AI. I share videos every week on tools like this. And hey, drop a comment below if you want me to test another AI tool or if you ran into issues using VIDEOGEN. I'd love to help. Catch you in the next one. Peace.